Guys, how are you doing? My name's John Williams. I'm the owner here at Zone Fitness Truro. I'm joined today by the lovely Jade and the amazing Pavros. And we're going to be chatting a little bit about the Prime USA. Now, what makes Prime completely unique is the ability to be able to add resistance into different parts of the range of movement. Now, I can hear your cogs turning and you're going, what does that even mean? So we're going to break it down into the most basic way possible and then increase the elements of difficulty. But if you're new to the gym, pay attention to the first video here as we just highlight the most simple way to use this machine. We put this machine into Truro simply because it's one of the most sought after leg pieces in the world at the moment with a waiting list time of 2 years. So completely unique and the reason we chose it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hand it over to Pav and Jade as they demonstrate how to use this machine in the most basic of way, paying particular attention to the setup. So I'll hand over to you guys.
Thanks. All right, guys, so same thing as with all the machines. Before you start using it, just make sure that you're in the right position. It's not a rocket science, but it's important that before you start the training, you know that you are in the right position. So, Jade, let's go. By the way, yes, the loading is quite complex, but for this video, we're just going to load the machine in the middle, which gives you a nice range of movement and the resistance through the range of movement. Yeah, we can talk about the rest later. All right, so key points for adjusting the posture, the position. Make sure that your knee, yeah, come on Jay, that your knee is aligned with the joint of the machine. Yeah, that's a very important point, because if you're not, the movement will not be as efficient. So that's the first point. The second one is the pad nicely behind the heel. Yeah, you don't want to have it too far up or low. Yeah? So that's the first thing to think about. Then the movement is pretty simple. You just try to engage the hamstrings, yeah, as you go. Okay, come, that's it, fantastic. Yeah. One more thing that I would want to point out is that you try to push your hip to the pad and then you curl. If not, you will end up lifting your butt and limiting the function of the hamstrings. As you can see, this is quite nice. Now, Jade, lift your hip way up. See now, and you project the force into the hip rather than on the hamstrings. So just take some time to really experiment, to get the right feeling that you're using the right muscles. If you're unsure, please don't hesitate. There are, personal trainers around, so ask anytime. It'll take a couple of seconds and you're good to go. All right? Okay.